This is Go Noodle, and it's a great website that has short little videos that get kids dancing and exercising in fun ways. It's very easy to sign up for. I signed up today, and it lets you choose a character, and I chose McPepperson. And what you do is every time you watch a video, if you look down here at the bottom of the screen, you move up, and the goal is to watch 10 videos and then your character levels up, and that's just an incentive for the kids. The audience is definitely my students because I know they will enjoy it, and also you have the option of sharing the videos with families, so they could be the intended audience as well, and obviously your fellow teachers because you can collaborate and share. So if you click on categories, it takes you to this section, and this is where you find your videos, and there's so many different choices. So you have movement, type, school life, and that's just the subject of the video. So I'm going to choose math and show you Gotcha Money.
Download new Go Noodle Games app. Play at home. It rocks.
Get your money right.
Get your money.
Blazer fresh. Nutcracker. Dollars to the sky. Let's get it. You better get your money.
So that's just an example of what a video would look like. So they're lively, they're fun, and that particular video, they will talk about the value of coins, so they get a little bit of math content as well. Going back to the categories, in addition, it also offers a section on managing stress and learning mindfulness. So if you click on this, you see the different videos to choose from. And I also love that they have Spanish videos because I have a high Spanish speaking population at my school, and I think it would be really nice to share these with these videos with the parents. Anyway, going back to the mindfulness technique, so here is bubble breath. That's an example of one, and it teaches children how to breathe in a fun way to calm themselves down. So one of the ways you can share it with their students is to click on the little arrow. You can share it to your Google Classroom, and also, again, you have the option to share it with parents. Your channels, as you find the videos you like, they're just kind of put into certain channels. So flow is going to be your yoga mindfulness section. So you also have the option of your favorites. It's just really fun, easy. This whole website is just easy to use and lots of fun. So whichever ones you really like, you put them in your favorites. I feel that this website speaks to the ISTE standards for educational leaders. 3D supports educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students, which anytime you're using physical activity, you're definitely addressing those needs and also talking about how to be mindful. In addition, I feel it touches on the 3E, developing learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time, because that is what they're intended to be used for. Real time in the classroom together, and you can see how they do with them as they do these activities.